This is the Civivi Altus. What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing something. I already know what it is. This is the Civivi Altus. Haven't felt it, haven't seen it in person yet, so I'm excited to check it out. I'm going to be unboxing this with the Civivi Synergy 3. This is the Civivi Altus. Oh man. Wow. Alright. It has a very strong detent snap, but it's not like a twang, it's like a thud. You guys know what I'm talking about. Action is spot on out of the box. It is super snappy. This is by far and large, well, night and day, leaps and bounds, already better than the Civivi Cogent. Oh my goodness. No back and forth, no up and down. Let's switch down to the table so you guys can see it better. Man, she's a good looking knife. So we got T8's typical Civivi pivot deep carry pocket clip that is ambidextrous but not recessed. Perfectly centered out of the box. Yep. No detent lash. Great action. Look at that. Just absolutely stupid. This is the iteration that Civivi finally came through and nailed a home run, in my opinion. Just outright, this thing's a home run. The design, the wood pattern looks great. The wood and the black looks great. The action out of the box is stupid. There is nothing loose. The play is just fine. You know, I love the Civivi Elementum button lock. That's still probably my favorite. But as far as doing everything 100% correct and right and just nailing it, I think this thing definitely fits that bill, and this may be their best knife. Yeah, I got all that with 2 minutes of looking at it and feeling it just a little bit. But I can tell you there's something special about the feel of this. And if you wanted the Altus, get it. I mean, this, I'm just outright, it's gonna be everything that you expect. This is one of those that I had an expectation, and it met it. And an absolute laser beam out of the box. I think this video is gonna be short and sweet, guys. This thing is, wow. I have no complaints out of the box. I think it is exactly what we wanted it to be. Good job, Civivi. This is awesome. The Synergy is awesome. These last two knives that I picked up from Civivi are probably my favorite Civivis in existence. Yeah, this is awesome.